Hi, everybody. My name is Tony Abbas. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Business Development for Prospiant Greenhouses. We are a North American-based manufacturer of greenhouses. We have multiple structures. The thing that I want to talk to everybody about is the fact that we've invested heavily in 2 different facilities. We now have we have brand new facilities in both Ohio, Cincinnati, and Canada, Leamington, Canada. So that means that on both sides of the border, we're able to manufacture custom solution greenhouses for our customers, and we can basically build and erect in either of our countries. On top of the fact that we do what we do as a company, have been doing it for the amount of time we have been doing it for, we have some new roofing systems that we're going to be focusing on this year. We have a new retractable roof system that's going to maybe turn some new heads and show some of our existing customers and our new customers our new capabilities. And then over and above that, we also now offer our Venlo full turnkey CEA solutions for the United States as well. Come check us out, www.prospiant.com. Send an email, hit us up, and we'll happy to get in touch with you as soon as we can. Thank you.